Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change currency on Steam. It is pretty simple to do, so watch this video till the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, go to your Steam account or open your Steam app on your system. Then here at the top right side you will find your username. Click on it, and here at the second you will find account details. You just need to click on it, and from here you will find an option that is update store country. If you have moved to a different country, you may be able to update your Steam wallet and how you view the Steam store. Click on it, and here you will find some instruction, but you need to click on contact Steam support. You must need to contact with the Steam support team. Click on it, and here at the bottom of your screen, scroll down. Here you will find a button contact Steam support, and select your country, your residence that are available in Steam. Select one of these. For example, I'm going to select United States. From here it is, and now you just need to write something that you want to change your currency on your Steam account. Just like, hello, I want to change my currency, Steam wallet currency to dollars. You can mention the currency name. You have to mention the currency name actually. You can convert it, you can change the currency in any currencies that are available on Steam. After send this message, they will contact you as soon as possible through the email that are registered in your Steam account. So that's how you can change the currency of your Steam wallet. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.